there is great danger. Your rivals have imprisoned me and their armies are on the march. Throughout Japan, the clans are gathering and choosing sides. Tanaka has said that the new shogun will need to be a general who can command great armies, a warrior with impeccable sword skills, a politician who can win many allies, and a man with unblemished honor. Even if the tide of war flows in your favor, you must be wary of assassins in your own castle. They come for me now. I await your triumph.
Lords of the Rising Sun, the battle lines are drawn from Cinemaware.
TV sports football from Cinemaware? Oh, yeah! It's incredible! It's just like a real game on TV. It's got an announcer who comes on before each game to give you stats on all the teams. They've even got stats on individual players.
Yeah, but your favorite part is the cheerleader.
Nah, I like the hits.
I like all the options. You can play league games with playoffs and a championship, or you can play with a friend against the computer.
Yeah, but the best part is, it's fun to play. On pass plays, I can control the distance and direction of the passes.
And it's the first football game I've ever seen with a decent running game. I mean, you can actually see the holes opening up.
The graphics are amazing. Remember the coin toss and that funny crowd?
Well, I still can't get over that last game that we played. I'm up on you by 2 points with less than a minute in the game.
Yeah. And then I drive the ball 43 yards downfield. And with 3 seconds left on the clock, I kick a 49-yard field goal to win. Piece of cake.
Unbelievable.
TV sports football. So real, it sweats.
Hey, this looks like a kid game. You idiots! Oh!
It's the Three Stooges, starring in their own Cinemaware interactive movie. You'll laugh out loud as you direct the zany antics of Mo, Larry, and Curly as they try to save a broken-down orphanage from the clutches of the evil banker. You can pay off the mortgage by earning money at the Porcupine Lodge Cracker Eating Contest.
Oh, you idiots!
The Stooges as doctors at the Stoogeville Hospital? As caterers serving the rich their just desserts? Oh, no! Larry's violin is broken, and Curly can't win his prize fight without hearing Pop Goes the Weasel. Can you get back in time to stop the knockout? Will the Stooges' good fortune be enough to save the orphanage?
Oh, you idiot!
Or will they have to rely on your quick thinking to save the day?
Let's scram.
If you're in the mood for nyuk, 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 the Three Stooges are coming in January from Cinemaware.
You imbeciles.
The year, 1940. Hitler's Nazi hordes are sweeping across Europe. Tom Cody, a young American scientist, is working late in his lab when a gift from the future suddenly materializes. Thus begins the odyssey of America's greatest hero, Rocket Ranger. As Rocket Ranger, Tom knew his efforts could turn the tide of the war. During the months ahead, he would seek out secret Nazi bases and smash them to ruins, battle leering supermen for their supply of lunarium, clear the skies of Axis air power, save beautiful women and kidnapped American scientists, while building a lunarium-powered rocket ship for a final rescue mission on the moon. But wait! Is there more to this Saturday morning serial than meets the eye? Find out in January from Cinemaware. Rocket Ranger Secret Decoder Wheel included.